Você vai deixar a vida te levar? Quem você quer ser? O que você vai fazer? Acredito que nós podemos te dar uma direção e te ajudar. Aqui, você vai aprender inglês e francês, e como fazer o seu currículo e a sua carta de apresentação para conseguir o seu trabalho no Canadá. É agora? Mexa-se e mude a sua vida, corajosamente indo onde você nunca foi antes.
You know that you and only you can change your life. It is time to make your dreams a reality in your life. We are going to help you now. Here, you are going to learn how to have a decent conversation with people around you, in your life, in your working place, and get your new job, in your life. In this video, you will learn little by little these new things. Don't need to rush yourself. Now let's see. To boldly go, where you have never gone before. Tell us what you think. We want to read what you have in mind. This way, we can adjust our videos to put some light on your doubts. And now, let's go back to our video.
Vegetable vocabulary. One type of food that nearly everyone eats every day is the food group called vegetables. Some vegetables grow underground, including root vegetables like potatoes, yams, carrots, turnips and beetroot, as well as bulbs like onion and garlic. Vegetables. Green vegetables or greens include leaf vegetables like spinach and cabbage, as well as certain legumes like peas and string beans. Many vegetables have seeds inside, and the best known of these include pumpkin, squash, eggplant, and the many kinds of pepper like the green pepper, chili pepper, and the bell pepper or capsicum. Salad vegetables such as lettuce and cucumber are eaten raw, while other vegetables, including cauliflower, mushrooms, and stem vegetables like asparagus and celery, can be eaten either raw or cooked.
Hit the like and subscribe buttons, then you can help us to spread these words to more people. Help us to bring these words to your future Canadian friends. Now, let's see what else we have here. You will keep listening to this video to have what is missing. So stay tuned. Don't be naive and click on the subscribe and like buttons and help us to achieve more people. Now, let's keep moving.
Examples: artichoke, asparagus, beetroot, bell pepper or capsicum. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrot. Cauliflower, celery, cucumber, eggplant. Garlic, lettuce, mushrooms, onion, peas, potato, pumpkin, spinach, string beans or green beans, turnip, yam, zucchini.
Don't insist on living in your golden cage any longer and get out from it. Come on, start moving. Take your destiny into your hands and inform yourself to make wise decisions which will lead your life to the place you want it to be. Don't need to rush yourself, but do not waste your valuable time. Now it is your turn to click on the subscribe and like buttons. It's free and it depends only on you. Don't be naive. Thank you. Now, let's go back to our video.
Vocabulary. Bulb. Noun, a round underground part of certain plants like onion and garlic plants. Lots of flowers like tulips and daffodils are grown from bulbs. Greens. Noun, green vegetables. Mum says we have to eat our greens before we have dessert. Leaf vegetable. Noun, a leaf or leafy plant that's eaten as a vegetable, like spinach. There are hundreds of leaf vegetables in Africa that we've never heard of. Legume. Noun, a seed that grows in a pod, like a pea or bean. A healthy diet includes lots of legumes. Raw. Adjective, not cooked. Some people think cooking destroys vitamins, so they eat lots of raw food. Root vegetable. Noun, a vegetable that grows under the ground, like potato and carrot. If root vegetables aren't harvested in time, They can rot in the ground. Salad, vegetable, noun. A vegetable that's often used in salads. All the salad vegetables are in the same part of the supermarket. Vegetable, noun. Part of a plant that can be cooked and eaten with a main course. The more fruit and vegetables we eat, the healthier we'll be.
You know that the only way to not be a lonely spectator of your history is to take your life into your hands, and only you can do this. Here you can see the things that matter for this purpose. Achieve your dreams and take the courage to get down in the rabbit hole to wake up in the other place that you've dreamed of. Tell us in the comments below which one you feel is better for you. Don't worry, we will do the changes to answer you. To sound more native-like, practice saying what you just heard. This will increase your skills when you will have to talk to other people. Remember, the vowels will vibrate the sound waves, and the consonants will put a stop or a pause in the sound waves and mark a cadence for you to follow this musicality that will be created in your sayings. This way, you can create the syllables to strengthen your message, either to inform or to impose your arguments in your talking. This way you can control your conversations and impress your audience. Go in the description to have the link to the Kanda Smart Mind website and go deeper into your study to reach your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video and be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Stay tuned. Bye for now.